Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Shloka 7. Shreyasam yad bhave shreyaka pavananam cha pavanam Krishna praptikaram shashvasthadanam tadvadadhuna. Shreyasam yad bhave shreyaka. Shreyasam means, can I have the most popular way? Yad, to attain. Bhave means Krishna Bhagavan. Shreya, to fulfill the attainment of Krishna Bhagavan. Shreyasam yat bhave shreya. What is the most effective way to attain Krishna Bhagavan? Pavananam cha pavanam. Pavana means the purity. Pavanana means the most purified way. Cha Pavana. What is the most purified way which is very much pure? That means there is nothing more than this remedy, this solution, that much pure. Shreyasam yad bhave shreyaka pavananam cha pavanam. That means, what is the purest form of the most purest way to attain the Krishna Bhagavan, which is the most popular way? Krishna Praptikaram. Krishna means Bhagavan Krishna. Praptikaram means to get hold of. Krishna Praptikaram means, how can I reach Krishna Bhagavan? Shashwat sadhanam tadvadadhuna. Shashwat sadhanam. Shashwat means which is permanent. Sadhanam, one that will help me to attain something. The best thing, the best way. Tadvad, the Bhagavan, the Satvika Bhagavan, the most purified Bhagavan. Tadvadadhuna. Adhuna means to be with the Bhagavan Krishna in the Vaikuntham. Why? Shashvat sadhanam tadvadadhuna. What is the permanent thing that can be used by me to go and be with Krishna Bhagavan always? So this is the question that is asked by Shaunaka Maharshi to the Suta Muni. The question is, Shreyasam yad bhave shreyaka pavananam cha pavanam Krishna praptikaram shashvat sadhanam tadvadadhuna. I will be very much pleased to listen to the most effective remedy, which is the most auspicious way and the most prominent way and the most popular way and the most sacred way and the most sanctifying way that will lead to the attainment of Lord Krishna. Please explain to me the way that I have been explaining my question. Please help me to solve the way and I will follow it. This is the question that is asked by Shaunaka Muni to Suta Muni. Shreyasam yad bhave shreyaka pavananam cha pavanam Krishna praptikaram shashvat sadhanam tadvadadhuna. Thank you.